Now I will make a geodatabase according to this table. In this table we see that CO line type. Here we see that there's like CO line and inches like transfer and these inches. And these are particular inches and like materials. We see that all the materials are semi difference, and we can see these in the domain, and we can see these particularly in single domain. You see that we are built in single domain and the rest in a single domain. Now I have to make I start a catalog. Mm, then I have to connect any folder and things. Yes. Uh, yes. I have this is here. So in that case, I will add a new folder uh, like geobiology, and in this I'll add a file database, and I name like new reference image like sure database. No, in this case, I have a georeferenced image, and we see that it's have no special reference. So in the catalog, in first of all, mm, in this image, property. Then especially reference edit and that is magnetic. It's for Bangladesh. Mm. No, I know that. Then it is not showing random things. What's that? In this GDP. In this database, add feature dataset. If I open this same line, here, so special reference. Okay, flash. Properties. So new, then I have to set a feature class. Feature class name, what is it? So like that, like so line, so line, yeah, it is obviously line feature. The next. Okay, first of all, this is a field type. I here add the field type, which is I type, and this subtype, and all this is a done. So line type is a type, so I have to make them use them. There is no vacancy about, so in this I join them in underscore, it is short integer, and normally used it. Okay, yes. In properties, then I have to these subtype does it line type, new subtype. Okay, so in this, how many subtype I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and the first activity chunks here. Layers, one, two, three, four, and then five. And the software description, chunks here, names here, secondaries here, power two, then letters. So add subtype, receive this with design description, or set form. It adds subtype, sorry, okay, description, then if I remove this, comes the font, so I write this. If I remove this and refresh it, okay, and all the tests I have answered. So now I edit if character is here, as in this is character and this is letter is main, secondary is drop. Okay, edit, edit, run, stop. Now if I see that you tell, see this object ID for one character that remains in the chart. Then I will add this here, and this is the extra. But I can't move it. Activity see that. In this, I will add this one. Now I have to add this field according to this type like pipe size NC 5.0 air-based construction component. So I add this field. Nature editor done from the start. Then you will get that will activate. Otherwise it will inactivate. Or name, what will be the name? Obviously, size is this is means these are shorting is use of these are great content. So I have to join this with underscore. Okay, here is the packets is input input. Right. Then I have another package here. Like material. Uh, it's obviously shortened is means no. How to add arrows at yellow. In this section, I okay, that means do in addition, I can also do shorten scissor and date as in this section only year, not months or day. So I write it with what I write it with shortened scissor like that. And another here, with the construction company. So the from scissor. Now I have to add this singular domain type. And this all the geodatabase, all this all the what uh, these all the things I have made geodatabase all of these, and now I have to make no, no I have to make no I have to make this for domain type for the CR line in this these attribute properties is good. Domain first of all one more thing is like that. The domain have to into single single. How many domain you have done? All the domains should be created in individual approach. Like how many domain I have to create? For the transceiver, paper size is 3 cells. For this one domain, for this another domain, another domain, another domain, another domain. And for parent material, for all the materials, I will make one domain all the time. And what the year same individually and the construction company will be same. No, I have to last domain was transceiver divided 24, 30, 36. So let's make it. Okay. here description. In the description, all the event characteristics are accepted, and we should make sure that the pipes here uh, no uh, using the pipes here, use the tracks here, and make sure that this type will be the same as this type. And as I do shortages are coded with orders. In this section, I have three menus, so this is coded there. Okay, 2, 3. Here, what is this? 24, 30, 36. 4, 30. Okay. Also, I have done one domain, and in the same file, I will add another story. You may go forward. Check here, same as here. This one, short user, contact user. So what is the 18, 24, 30? Okay, 24. Okay, send. This will be yes. So let me check. Sharks here 24, 30, 36. Senders here 18, 20, 30. Senders here is 10 to 80. But I have made senders. So let me fix. So will be senders here in respect to 12, 18. This is not manual. You have to fix. So better off here. This is user. Let us go 6, 18. from secondary lateral collector. Here's the 8 and 12. So this is 8, 10, 12. Actor battery name নিজের ডিসক্রিপ্ট করে দেবো ঠিক আছে কোথাও okay. Now I have to make for this one domain by material. This is a short integer with put. So how many zeros are this? Let me count. 1 reinforcement concrete, Di2, PVC3, SPD4, clay 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. PV, HDPE, clay, SPD, and another is reinforced concrete. Okay. Now I have to make another domain like air gauge. How many? Type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a short integer and with coded below how many code? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's this here? 15, 18, 20, 12, 21. 2015, 12, 2018, 20, 21. If I coordinate them is 15, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. And may have to make another domain construction company. Every construction delta green tech city will go. So construction company, domain, construction, construction company. Maybe short end is a code below. How many construction company I have seen? Achieve all these individual are difference. Difference. One, two, three, four. So I have to make and ABC construction. In the description, there are any elite characteristics are granted. So this is categories, green faculty, and what work faculty, city with co company. Now, what is this? This type. Which types? In these types. In these types, I have made this for this different unit and for this indifferent unit, and I have to set all the link for this type, this domain, this domain, this domain, this domain. So now let me connect this domain. First of all, this type, which is a trunk shape. In this, there is shape length and domain, no. Type size in inch and domain, 20, check. Type size in inch. The trunk here, this trunk size domain. So I have to connect pipe size, domain, pipe, material. So if you have confused in this pipe material, how many, which coded below are these? So let me check. Pipe material in this. Okay. So pipe size in C, the trunk shear, the trunk shear domain. So what's the value trunk shear domain? Trunk shear domain. So 24, 30, 36. In this PDF, the trunk shear 24, 30, 36. Okay. I have to select pipe size inch trunk shear. Okay. For this type, okay. Trunk shear, pipe material. So I have made indifferent domain for this material. So pipe material and ear build, and obviously indifferent here, and construction company, construction company. Okay. For this trunk shear, I have linked all these domain, and what's main shear, pipe NC, it will be main shear. And for this pipe material, this pipe material, ear wheels, ear wheels, construction company, construction company. Okay. For the secondary shear, pipe size, secondary shear, pipe material, ear wheels, company, construction company. Do you have any doubt or like the pipe size? has differently I have selected, and the material build company I have indifferently selected. So uh, I have firstly made that in this type there are three values I have made different domain, but for this type material all the types has same domain, share same domain. Okay, first on size I have linked the domain means your domain secondary, and connectors here for the websites, connectors here for size, pipe material, areas, construction company, and construction. Okay. For the last type, lateral shear. The lateral shear pipe size is lateral shear, pipe material, areas, and construction company for this location. Okay. Now apply, and okay, and it is processing. Okay. But in this, I will see the drop down menu what is all the time. And why I can't see this? Only for that when I start editing, then I will say this. Start edit, then I'll see all the size, like pipe size 8, 10, 12, or 9, pipe material, these. So, so for this table, chunks here 24, 30, 36. Pipe size, polyline, line type, chunks here. This line type, chunks here, pipe size, what? Chunks here, pipe size 24, 30, 36, 24, 30, 35. I will select all the values, like all the indicates that all the values are what, all the values are connected to, all domains are connected by material. PVC and these these. Okay, here build construct company, all the things are happened. Okay, one more thing that if I make only one domain for the pipe size, not three different domain. If I want to make independent domain, and I have to check all the individual values, coded values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12, 13. And this 13 value coded value, and I have to select only one. Okay, this is the main geodatabase with domain link, and I will say, and in this video I have to try for this better.